So here we are. I've got this sealing ring back from the parts washer and having it liquefy all the stuff that was on it. I took the toothbrush and took off what I could. So now the whole thing is just kind of full of parts cleaner. So we'll just kind of mush that out of it. So that's all cleaned up. And then I'm going to take the air hose and kind of blow that out a bit to get that out of the pores as much as I can. And I'm not using full force on this because I don't want to blow it apart. There, so that part's clean now, and then we got to get the Varsol and any oil-based stuff out of the rubber so it doesn't swell later. So we're going to hit this with more spray 9. Apparently I got a bit of vapor there. So all we're going to do here is just kind of squeeze this and work the spray 9 in. And once that's done, then we just take the water to it again. Got to get all of that soap off. I'm going to get all of this spray 9 off and any kind of residue, and you'll know it's clean when it feels that it's not slippery anymore. And then we just take and blow the water out of it. There. So that's clean. And that goes back on here. And once this sits for a day or so, things will start to dry out, and the oil and the parts cleaner vapor will come out of the rubber, and it should shrink a little bit. So we started with this and ended very much clean. And then from there, we just take and put the connectors back in it. And so to make sure that the connectors here touch up against the bulb good, we're going to just bend this ever so slightly so that it gives good pressure when the bulb goes in. And then we're going to put this in there like so, and then push till it clicks. There's one. And this one here, like when we started, you have to go in on an angle, go in and turn, push ahead, and then have it go down and past the keeper. Okay, there we go. There. So when that's all done, very nicely done. Apparently my rubber needs to dry out a bit yet. And then the clip goes back on the top. And what I'll do before I install this on the car, I'm going to fill this all back up with dielectric grease and seal it up good so it keeps the moisture out. So then we just put this back on like this, little clip over the front, around like that. Being careful to do one piece at a time, ever so gently. One click, two clicks, all done. And there we go.